In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to rename a laptop or name in Windows 11 and how we can do this. So you can try doing this on both the laptop and PC as well. So to change the name, this is what we have to do. And before getting to that, this should be taken note that this is not the default or kind of a change of a profile name. This is the name that you're changing on a device. So let's proceed further. So first of all, what we need to do is we have to go over here in the search and we need to type your first settings. Then we have to click on this. Now from here, what we need to do is once you get into the settings, we need to make a few changes here. That is all about we have to go to the system. Now from here, we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the about. Now from here on the about, what we need to do is you can see right now the name of this PC is this one that called desktop JBNHOQD. So this is the name. So if I wanted to change the name, I need to click on rename this PC. Now I need to type the name that I wanted. So this is the current name. So if I wanted to change the name to Peter Smith, I'm just going to name it. I have to go for the next. So make sure that one of the characters won't work. So you have to make sure that something you have to type like this. And once you type it, just go for the next. And what happens is once it's saved, it will ask you to do the restart. So it is asking you to do the restart. So when you do the restart, the respective change will be done. So in my case, I'll go for restart later. So now I'll close this over here. And this is how we can do this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.